Just when we thought we had seen it all, a revolutionary AI model has arrived, leaving even DeepSeek in the dust. And here's the crazy part, it did it with zero effort. No massive data sets, no excessive training, just pure innovation shaking up the AI world. DeepSeek was once considered a powerhouse, pushing the limits of AI capability. In fact, its January 25 model, R1, claimed to outperform OpenAI's latest O1 model while costing only a fraction of what the US AI lab invests. But this new AI? It's on an entirely different level. Stay tuned, because today we're uncovering how this AI effortlessly outclassed one of the most advanced systems out there. So, what makes it so powerful? How did it crush DeepSeek without breaking a sweat? And most importantly, what does this mean for the future of AI? To truly grasp this shocking development, we need to take a step back. Let's find out what makes DeepSeek's AI a strong contender. DeepSeek AI has been a dominant force in the world of artificial intelligence, known for its deep learning capabilities, multimodal applications, and extensive training data. From language processing to image recognition, DeepSeek has pushed the boundaries of what AI can do. Its open-source approach also democratized AI, making it accessible to more researchers, startups, and companies than ever before. This shift created a ripple effect, allowing smaller players to dive into AI development without the need for massive resources. But as impressive as DeepSeek's performance was, it raised a question: could one AI model truly do it all? Or was there a limit to how much it could achieve? DeepSeek continued to set benchmarks and define what AI was capable of, leading many to believe it was the revolutionary model we had all been waiting for. We all thought DeepSeek was the one until now, until the rise of the new AI. AI is evolving faster than ever, and OpenThinker 32B is proving that efficiency can beat brute force training. Built by the OpenThoughts team, this model is based on Alibaba's Hugan 2.5 32B Instruct and boasts 32.8 billion parameters with a 16,000 token memory. But what makes it truly groundbreaking is how it's already outperforming DeepSeek R1, a model that many believed was one of the most advanced AI systems to date. DeepSeek R1, developed by a Chinese research team, launched on January 25, 2024, and was considered a major breakthrough in AI. It was trained on 800,000 examples, far more than most models, and was seen as a strong competitor to OpenAI's latest releases. However, OpenThinker 32B has shattered expectations by achieving similar or even better results with just 114,000 training examples. Instead of relying on sheer data volume, it prioritizes quality, using detailed metadata, AI-based verification, and carefully curated solutions to enhance learning efficiency. The performance gap between the two models is now impossible to ignore. On the Math 500 benchmark, OpenThinker 32B scored 90.6%. Surpassing DeepSeek R1's 89.4%. It also outperformed DeepSeek in the GPQA Diamond benchmark, scoring 61.6% compared to DeepSeek's 57.6%. However, DeepSeek R1 still holds an edge in coding tasks, achieving 71.2% accuracy, slightly higher than OpenThinker 32B's 68.9%. Despite this, OpenThinker 32B's ability to compete and even surpass DeepSeek in critical areas with far less data is a huge milestone in AI research. Beyond performance, OpenThinker 32B is also more efficient and accessible. While DeepSeek R1 required massive computational power and long training hours, OpenThinker 32B completed its training in just 90 hours using only H100 GPUs on AWS SageMaker. This reduced costs and proved that smart training techniques can outperform models that depend on excessive resources. Additionally, while DeepSeek R1 remains partially open source, OpenThinker 32B is fully open source, making it more accessible to developers and researchers worldwide. For a while, it seemed like DeepSeek R1 was the next big thing in AI. But now, OpenThinker 32B is proving that bigger isn't always better. By focusing on data efficiency, smarter training, and superior reasoning capabilities, it has redefined what AI can achieve. The race isn't just about who has the biggest model, it's about who is training AI the smartest. Before we proceed, we have got a question for you. Do you think OpenThinker 32B is truly the future, or will another model rise to take its place? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. The AI race just got interesting with another AI model coming up next in the video. Let's meet the new AI, the silent genius that could outsmart DeepSeek AI. While models like DeepSeek R1 have relied on massive datasets and brute force learning, Hugan 3.5b is proving that intelligence isn't just about size, it's about how you think. This model introduces a latent reasoning mechanism, meaning it doesn't just spit out answers, rather it refines its thoughts internally before revealing a final response. Just like someone who has got brains, right? So why Hugan 3.5b is in a league of its own? Because it learns like a human, not a machine. Unlike DeepSeek R1, which processes information in a single forward pass, Hugan 3.5b works in hidden loops, adjusting its internal state multiple times before arriving at an answer. Just take it as if you are solving a math problem, rather than writing down the first answer that pops into your head. Hugan double-checks its own logic and refines mistakes before giving a final response. This makes it particularly powerful for complex problem-solving, reasoning tasks, and multi-step logic-based questions. And this is where DeepSeek often falls short. DeepSeek R1, while powerful, relies heavily on large context windows, meaning it stores huge amounts of data during processing. But more data doesn't always mean better results. Hugan takes a more refined approach, using its adaptive memory system to minimize token usage while improving accuracy. Instead of holding on to every little detail, it prioritizes what matters, allowing for faster, more efficient responses without unnecessary computational load. One of Hugan's most unique advantages is its adaptive reasoning. DeepSeek R1 follows a fixed processing path, whether it's handling a simple question or a complex multi-step problem. Hugan, however, adjusts its inference cycles based on the difficulty of the task. If something is straightforward, it gives an instant response. But when Hugan faces a tough problem, like writing complex code or solving tricky science questions, it thinks more deeply instead of just giving a quick answer. This means it takes extra steps to check its logic and improve its response before showing the final result. Hugan 3.5b was trained on 800 billion words of data and has outperformed even bigger AI models like Pythia 6.9b and 12b in solving multi-step problems. It's especially good at difficult tasks like proving theories and generating advanced computer code. DeepSeek R1 with 671 billion parameters is still strong in math and coding, but Hugan's smarter design helps it solve harder problems with more accuracy and flexibility. So what's the future of AI? What comes next? The rise of OpenThinker 32b and Hugan 3.5b signals a major shift in artificial intelligence. Instead of relying on huge datasets and brute force learning, the next generation of AI is all about efficiency, self-improvement, and adaptability. This change could reshape the entire industry in ways we never expected. One of the biggest impacts will be greater accessibility. Open source models like OpenThinker 32b are breaking down barriers, allowing researchers, startups, and even individuals to access cutting-edge AI without requiring billion-dollar investments. This means more innovation as smaller players can now experiment, refine, and improve AI technology without relying on tech giants. Additionally, AI is becoming smarter, not just bigger. Hugan's 3.5b's ability to refine its own reasoning and problem-solving skills shows that AI doesn't need to memorize massive amounts of data to be effective. Instead, models that think more efficiently will likely surpass even the largest AI systems trained on endless datasets. This shift could redefine how we measure AI intelligence, moving away from raw power and focusing on how well an AI model learns and adapts over time. This also raises a major question about AI leadership. Companies like OpenAI and DeepMind, which have dominated the AI landscape with resource-heavy models, may need to rethink their strategies as open-source innovations continue to challenge their dominance. If models like OpenThinker 32b and Hugan 3.5b can deliver equal or better results at a fraction of the cost, traditional AI giants may no longer hold the same competitive edge. As AI continues to advance, we may be entering a new era, one where intelligence isn't defined by massive datasets or extreme computational power, but by how well AI can think, adapt, and improve itself. So who will lead this revolution, and what groundbreaking AI model will come next? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Our next video dives into an AI breakthrough you won't want to miss.